All right, this video is when to replace your dust collector filter or clean it more efficiently. So the way to tell when your filter starts to get overwhelmed with dust is the number one symptom is the inside glass will start to fog up. So if you're having to use your hand or a rag to wipe the window on the inside to see, that's your number one symptom because you're getting that blowback of dust back into the window. So that's number one. So the other way you can tell when the dust collector filter has gotten overwhelmed with dust is we have a secondary filter on the back called an inline, or inlet filter, rather. So this filter on the back, since we have an air wash system on the window, air is continually moving in our system to keep that window clean if you do your proper maintenance on the filter. This should stay clean at all times as well. So when you start seeing this filter getting dirty with dust, that means your main filter is getting clogged. It's not doing its proper job. When you actually look inside the door and you see dust build up, if it's anything above the capful, you want to empty it because that way you don't siphon dust into the filter again and have to clean your filter twice. So the way to empty the dust hopper is take this cap and you turn it clockwise. Clockwise. Okay. And basically, it's just gonna be dust, no abrasive, because that's very efficient machines. So you take it, and then with any dust, you just dump it into your bucket below. Maybe line the bucket with a garbage bag as well, so that way you can just take the bag and tie it and throw it in the garbage. So yeah, that's basically how you would remove the dust in a dust hopper. So when you clean your filter first thing in the morning, is you want to make sure your blower and light are off, so it's in the opposition here on the switch. Okay, your air compressor is set at 120 psi. Okay, so we're gonna put air in our system. Now you're gonna flip this filter vibrator. So you're gonna see the filter start to vibrate. First you loosen up the knobs. Then you turn this device and get access to the pins. Then you pull the pins. One pin, the second pin. Make sure you keep that in there because you have a secondary one on the back. And here. All right, so now you remove the spacers. So remove this back spacer. And then this other spacer. The filter bracket drops, see that? Then filter drops. Big. Filter. Look at that. With gloves on. All right, so here's the rubber washer. I just get rid of it and use the new one. So here's your new washer. Just on top of the metal washer. And you take your filter, neoprene seal up, metal housing down. And the same way. That. Yep. Yeah, get in there. Yeah. The whole filter bar assembly. Let's put your spacers back in. This is the harder one. And you put your clear.
Done it a few times.
Tightening. And the black knob again. Put those spacers back up. You always want to make sure you do it evenly. Just a little bit at a time. I do it simultaneously. I know it's in there. There you have it.